What's up, guys? It's Mitch with SC Weather. Hey, today is going to be the hottest day of the year, I think. The heat index is going to be ridiculous combined with actual air temperatures. And check it out. This is at noon today. Heat index is well into the hundreds for almost everybody in the entire state of South Carolina. This is going to be hot enough to where it's going to fire up some severe storms, I think, later on. And I think the temperature is going to climb quick. And normally when that happens, that gives us an opportunity for bad storms. So 1 p.m., the heat indexes are getting even higher. I think some places will officially top out at 110, maybe even a little higher for heat index. As we get into the 2 o'clock and it's just getting nothing but hotter, as the air temperature at this point will probably be well into the 90s. Dew points will be well into the 70s, and it's just going to be a miserably hot day. 3 p.m., you're starting to see the splotches of red. That is signifying development in storms that are lowering the heat index just because it lowers the air temperature. So where it's not raining still at 4 p.m., for example, it is still hotter than Hades. Dew points, heat indexes are still just brutally hot, almost at 110. And this is the Cape. This is storm energy. We talked about this before. Check it out. There's going to be plenty of Cape. There's going to be some other things lacking, but plenty of Cape. Well into almost near 4,000 range, and it's just, there's going to be plenty of energy, and it's just going to be building throughout the day. We get into 2 p.m. And one thing I'll tell you is these storms are going to be outflow driven, which means a storm is going to pop up, produce an outflow, which I've showed you on radar before, and then once it produces that outflow, the outflow will make more storms, and these storms will fire up very, very quickly. So here it is, 2 p.m. I think these storms will fire up pretty early, just about how quick it's going to warm up and how hot it's going to be very quickly today. And even as early as 3 o'clock, we might start even getting some storms to the Midlands. And I think it'll go from west to east, meaning they'll start out in the western part of the state before entering the Midlands. Like I said, there won't be much movement in these storms. It'll be outflow driven. So these things could pop up out of nowhere, go severe in 15, 20 minutes. There's just so much juice to the atmosphere, and it's just nasty, nasty heat. We go into the 5 o'clock range, and the storms are going to be going on. I don't have this posted, but we're under a marginal risk for parts of the state today, especially the upstate, for severe weather. It basically tells me we're going to have some severe storms around. So we get into the 6 o'clock range. I think it starts to shift into maybe the PD area in the eastern parts of the state as we get later into the day. So guys, just be weather aware today. A storm could pop up out of nowhere today. It's just one of those days where you're not going to really see the storm coming. It's going to probably pop up right on top of you, and it's going to be one of them raining on the other side of the street days too. So some people are going to get lucky, some aren't, but stay weather aware today, because I really think these have a potential to be some potent storms out there just with the ingredients, and you can just feel it out here this morning. It is nasty. So y'all be weather aware, stay hydrated. Hottest day of the year. We might hit triple digits for actual air temperatures, along with super hot heat indices. So stay weather aware, and y'all have a great Monday.